Hi, so I'm here to do an absorbency video with you comparing the Women's Haven brand with the Real, which is another organic brand, with You by Kotex, Stay Free, and one of the most popular ones, Always. So the first thing we're going to do is open up each one and then rest them in front of here, just so we get to see how they look open and presented compared to each other. Okay, we're going to start with the Women's Haven pads, which are completely enclosed. Here. And we're going to move to the Real. You by Kotex. Stay Free. Maxi pad. And then Always. This Always already. Oh gosh. So there we have it. So we got all of these pads laid out here. I'm just gonna put this to the side. Garbage. And what I have here is a mixture of just paint and a little bit of water, a little bit of paint and water actually. And I'm going to fill each one up to 50 milliliters. So I'm going to start with the Always, just to give it a fair. So 50 milliliters is basically what the average female secretes a day. No, you won't wear the same pad all day, but this is like a worst case scenario showing just how much each pad can hold. So as you can see, the Stay Free basically pooled on top. And then we have, oh, I'm sorry, that was Always. This is the Stay Free. Absorbs a little bit better. No pooling on the top, which is good. But you'll see just how much we'll get on the skin. And then we have the You by Kotex. Still didn't pool, but definitely sort of like transferred along the wings, similar to the Always. In fact, the Always spilled onto the tissue, so did this You by Kotex. And then we're gonna go to the Real, again, 50 milliliters. Similar to the Women's Haven pad, Real actually has a 3D leak guard, but you can see that it's not not really absorbing the fluid. And then finally, we have the women's haven pad, making sure I'm using 50 milliliters per pad. So this is the women's haven with the 3D leak guard, as well as featuring graphene and a woven cotton top. So I'm just gonna take a few pieces of the napkin, and we just want to mimic what would be like sitting on this pad in the day. So this is the Always. You would be wet. If you had like a big discharge, you'd be soaking wet with the Always. I'll just wipe my hands on my pants there. This is Stay Free. Again, you'd be wet. I'll just use one of these to dry my hands. This is You by Kotex. Wow. It's completely wet there. Just dry my hands. Don't want to make sure that I don't spread any liquid from one to the other. This is the Real. Still. And finally, oops, I'll just use this one to dry my hands. This is the result on the women's haven pads. Completely dry. And like I am pressing. So there is a difference, ladies. And this is a regular pad with 15 pads per pack, compared to the other organic brand, which is 14 pads per pack, and not even close to the absorbency that the women's haven pads offer. There you have it.